Now I only make ribs like this. I learned it in a famous restaurant. I've got 1.5 kilos of pork ribs here. And I'm adding 600 milliliters of cola. I'll let it marinate for 30 minutes. After marinating, place the pork rib on the aluminum foil, season with salt to taste and black pepper to taste. Now add ketchup and add it like this. Then add mustard to the pork ribs. This is going to be delicious. Next, add barbecue sauce. With these sauces, this rib will be very tasty. And I'll finish with mayonnaise. Once that's done, I'm going to use a silicone brush to brush the sauces on top so that they blend well and cover the whole pork rib. Now let's close the aluminum foil like this. Remember that I put 2 sheets on top of each other. I'm coming with the 3rd sheet to finish covering. It's important that the ribs are well sealed in the foil. And we're closing it like this. And let me know what city you're watching from so I can send you a big hug. Now let's take the pork ribs and put them on a baking sheet. Then bake it for 2 hours. That's the secret to keeping it tender and tasty. After this time, we'll open the aluminum foil here and leave the pork ribs uncovered. Brush again. And put it in the oven to brown. Now I'm going to show you how tasty it is. It's falling apart, coming off the bone, people. And to make it even better, I've sealed this hamburger bun here. And I'm going to stuff it with pork rib meat. It's too good here. So that's it, my loves. I hope you enjoyed it and see you in the next video. Bye bye.